So have you ever wondered how expensive is the IKEA in the USA compared to India? So in this video, you will see sofas, dining tables, wardrobes, lamps and homemade furnitures all in one walkthrough with pricing. And I will walk you through everything with prices and I will show you compare with India IKEA pricing. So you will clearly understand the USA lifestyle and expenses. And if you are planning a new home, moving abroad or just curious, this video is for you. Stay till the end because I will tell you which IKEA items are actually worth buying in the USA and which are not. And right now, I'm on the way to the IKEA. It is located in Live Oak. From my place, it takes around 35 minutes by car. So drive is actually very calm. You can see wide roads, flyover bridges. And IKEA is not inside the city basically. It's slightly outside. So in Live Oak, which makes it spacious and easy for parking. So let's go inside the IKEA and we'll check out what all the items. Stay tuned in this video. So I reached IKEA and you can see this ambience which itself attract customers. And IKEA actually started in Sweden. It's a Sweden brand and today it's one of the biggest furniture brand in the world, known for modern design and quality furniture and functional products. And if you have visited IKEA in India, you will notice the layout is very similar. Same walking floor, same room setups and same experience. And here you can see this bedding which is priced at $484, which is roughly 40,000 in India. And next to it you can see that 3-seater sleeper sofa which is priced $1,349, and also see that teapots which is $24.99 with the white coffee table which is $179. So here you can see this rounded dining table which is I think around $400. And this side glass stand you can see that is around $139. And look at this TV unit setup. This looks luxurious but a bit expensive it seems. It's costing around $1,445. And next, when you come to the living room setup, you can see this TV unit which is around $485. And this small wooden stool you can see that is at $20, but it is very practical it seems. And the green rug what you are seeing in bottom is $400, but honestly I feel this is expensive because in Amazon or Walmart you will get the similar rugs under $100. So now let's move to the next section. So this is a seasonal L-shaped sofa you can see here, very good quality, priced around $1,749, which is approximately 1.558 lakhs in India. And here is the wooden dining table which costs around $650 you can see. And nearby a small rounded dining table which costs $170. And this wide rounded table price around $70. And this yellow sofa is around $400 you can see here. And this TV unit stand table which is $80, very budget friendly. So now I am again entering into the sofa section. You can see the small sofa support cushion which is coming around $16.99. That's around 1,500 rupees in India. And this yellow compact sofa, here you can see that is $329. And you can really see a lot of varieties in this section. And if you are setting up a new home, buying from IKEA actually makes sense because the quality is consistent and durable. And when you convert everything in Indian rupees, it feels expensive. But here in the US, this is considered a normal middle class pricing. So what do you think? Is IKEA worth the price or it is expensive? Just comment below. So let me sit and test this sofa. Honestly, the comfort is really good, soft, but still it gives more proper support. And this is the kind of sofa where you can easily sit for a long hours, watching TV, working and just relaxing. Comfort wise, IKEA really delivers a good product. So here you can see a different varieties of ottoman. Coffee tables range from $30 to $50 depending on size. And honestly, this looks decent and reasonably priced. And this TV stand looks good, $129.99. And this glass unit nearby, again $129.99. Actual price was $199.99. No on sale it seems. And I think my 65-inch TV can easily fit in this table. So far here also range $1,349. And this wall clock is priced at $80, that is around 7,200 in Indian rupees. This looks bit expensive I guess because in India similar quality might be around 5,000, right? But I am not sure. And now look at this independent sofa chair. Price is around $500 and trust me, this comfort is ultimate. And the black one next to it is $399 after sale. So you will also notice the soft toys here, but I will show you the section separately in this vlog. And here the small coffee table you can see. This has steel legs but not wood, which is price tag of $60. And also IKEA provides pickup and delivery options. Pricing depends on the service you choose. You can see here the list in this category. And honestly, let me check what I can buy today. I would like to check the sofa and TV unit from IKEA. But for rugs, I will go with Walmart or Amazon because that is cheaper it seems. And also I need to buy some kitchen items and utensils. And here you can see that wooden chairs start from $45 to go up to $100 depending on the designs and material. So one thing I have noticed with the IKEA product is they are not flashy but very functional, and they focus more on comfort, space usage and long-term usability. And yes, some items look expensive, but when you see the finished material and durability, you understand why people choose IKEA. And especially in the US, IKEA is like one-stop solution for home setup. And this table looks really good. You can use it as a study table or even as an office desk. And this one is around $299. Another similar table. Here again $299 you can see. And the lamp here is priced at $80. So now I am in the wardrobe section, and here you will find the wardrobe starting from $425 and going the way up to $4,000 depending on the size and customization. And would you spend this much on wardrobes, or do you prefer the local carpentry? Let me know in the comments. So this is a separate soft toy section, and kids will absolutely love this place. Very good quality soft toys, perfect for bedroom decor and gifting. And honestly, I thought of buying it, then I changed my mind. It is not really useful for me right now. And this one is the lamp and lighting sections. From minimal dust lamps to stylish floor lamps you can see here. And IKEA has something for every room and mood. You can see here in this place. So this is the rug and mat section. Personally, I feel rugs here are a bit expensive. A small rug itself is costing $129. Whereas in Walmart, I bought an 8x10 rug for $79. For rugs, I feel Walmart and Amazon is always better. So after recording all these sections, I have reached the checkout area. I didn't cover the full store. It's a huge area, but I have shown you the major product lines. And if you buy furniture, you just note the product code, pay at the checkout and choose the pickup for delivery. Very organized and systematic. So that is my IKEA USA tour. I hope you like this walkthrough and the product I have shown to you. Let me know in the comments. Do you feel IKEA USA is costly compared to India IKEA? And also, which product did you like the most from this blog? So I will wrap this video here. More USA lifestyle and travel videos coming soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.